Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best micro-investing app between Acorns and Wealthsimple Invest in 2025. If you're looking for the best micro-investing app in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Neither Wealthsimple nor Acorns has commissions on investments, but you can't really choose your investments anyway, so you're not going to be making any trades like you would with a traditional brokerage. Wealthsimple carries a 0.50% annual fee for their basic plan. Upon reaching an invested balance of $100K, you qualify for their mid-level Black plan that has a reduced 0.40% annual fee and a financial planning session. Once you reach a $500,000 invested balance, their premium generation plan includes dedicated advisors, in-depth financial planning, and a personalized portfolio made just for you. Acorns does not offer any human advising. As robo-advisors, both Wealthsimple and Acorns have pre-built expert portfolios comprised of low-cost ETFs based on one's risk tolerance, allowing you to be completely hands-off in your investing. Neither offers individual stocks. Wealthsimple offers two special themed portfolios aside from their normal ones, socially responsible and halal. Acorns has a sleek, modern, intuitive, robust mobile app for both Apple iOS and Android. Wealthsimple has a great app too, but Android users specifically seem to complain of problems with the app. Acorns is unique in that it allows you to invest spare change automatically, letting you round up your purchases and invest the difference. This is great for people who have trouble saving. Both platforms offer dividend reinvestment. A dividend is just a return of value to shareholders as a periodic cash payment by a company. Dividend reinvestment means that when your investments pay a dividend, that payment can be automatically reinvested instead of sitting idly as a cash balance. Wealthsimple and Acorns are both built for passive, long-term, buy and hold, set and forget investing, allowing everything to happen automatically. Wealthsimple carries a 0.50% fee for their basic plan and a reduced 0.40% fee for their premium plans after you reach a $100K invested balance. While they may not look like much, these fees shave off a massive amount of money from your portfolio over the long term. Acorns and Wealthsimple both have sleek, modern, intuitive, robust mobile apps and desktop web interfaces. Android users seem to have some complaints about the Wealthsimple app. Acorns comes with an FDIC-insured checking account with their premium plan at $3 a month. Wealthsimple does not. That was a basic overview comparison between Acorns and Wealthsimple Invest in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.